Hello and welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint application course. In this video we will start with a new set of topics under graphics and design. So we'll be mainly looking at charts, shapes, objects, pictures and text box. And we will break down this whole list of topics into several videos. So in this particular video we'll be looking first to inserting symbols, what are symbols, inserting and editing chart, and also SmartArt. So let's pull up our PowerPoint presentation for practice, and we will create a new slide so that we can use that to practice. So let's go right click slide 5 and click new slide. So let's add more, right click slide seed and new slide. So let's stay on slide 6. Let's click on this text placeholder and delete it so that we have the space we need. Also this one, and click or press the delete key. We go to 7, we do the same, click, press delete, and click, press delete. So go back to 6. So how do you insert a symbol? Just go by insert menu, and here you find symbol, click the arrow down and say symbols and nothing. And why is that? Is that because we deleted the text placeholders? And I think so. So what we will do is go back, take this one, go to the home, copy it, come back here and paste. Okay, so now let's try again. So we stay inside the text placeholder, we click insert and we go to symbol, and this time it's highlighted, so we can click the symbol and a box comes out, and you can choose, from the subset which type of symbols you want, whether it's Thai, Georgian, or something Hebrew or Greek, so if you choose Greek, for example, and you want this symbol, you can click on it and you can click insert and you can close, and there it is. Stay in the text placeholder, press enter. Let's go back again to symbols and click symbol, and you can select maybe the sign, euro sign, and insert. So you can also insert the naira sign here. Okay, click insert and close, and that's how you play with symbols. The next thing we will talk about will be charts. So if I want to have a chart on my PowerPoint slide, so let's first minimize this box, take it up a little, and let's also go back, make a copy of this, copy, come back and paste. No, I don't think we did it correctly, so let's select it again, click copy, we'll come back here, click paste. For some reason it doesn't work, so we can leave it that way. So let's practice with inserting charts. So to do that, we go to insert, illustration, and there you see chart, and we click on it. Comes out with a list of charts. You can select which other type of charts you want. So in this case, let's just say pie chart, and take the particular one you want from this list. And let's say we want this particular chart, and we say OK, and there you go. So it will bring out information in spreadsheet form where you can enter what you want. So for example, these are sales, and here's the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter. So if you want to add amount, for example, you can say 9, let's say 10, 7, I don't know what this will look like on a pie chart, but just trying it. Okay, and I don't think that does anything, or rather what we will do is we will delete this one. Let's see if we can maybe extend the chart, and we add 5th quarter, and here you can put 5, and then when you're done, click in, so you see that's 5th quarter, and you can close. So that's how you insert a chart, right? And if you want to modify the chart, you simply double click the pie chart, and no, that's, you don't double click. Double clicking means you want to format, change the type and everything, so let's leave that one out. So if I want to change the information, I will right click and I will say edit data, and then I get my Excel back. I can then say I want to change this to 7, for example. That is the 4th quarter, which is the yellow line. And if I do that, then you see it becomes bigger, and I can close and I can save. Okay, so that's about chart, and I can drag it there. And if I of course want to change the design, I can go to, let's see, right click. I don't have anything to, this is the chart type, but I can also do chart design, and I can go to change chart type. So let's say change chart, and let's go to column. Let's click the first one, and let's say OK, and then you can change the chart. So that's about editing chart. You can play with this more by looking at all these other options here to change the elements, what you want to add, the titles, to add a chart title, to add a chart axis, and you can add labels here, and you can also add what else, trend line, many things, but let's stop there for now. And the last thing we want to do is insert a smart art. A smart art is just a nice looking art that you can insert, and to do that you can say insert, and you go to smart art here, and you can choose what type of smart art you want. This is like an organizational block here. You can go to list, you can choose something like this. You can go to process to choose something like a process chart, and if you say OK, for example, in this one, this is what you get. And here you can say this is big, and you can go bigger, and you can go biggest, and you can click on it and maybe reduce the size, put it on one side. You can also edit the other text if you want. So basically this is how you insert symbols, chart, and edit chart, and also smart art. Thank you for listening, and we will continue from the next video on the other topics of graphics and design.